Our equation is determine the following equivalent: 45 milliliters, 2 tablespoons. So we need to know the conversion factor, and that is that 1 tablespoon is equal to 15 mLs. So we're going to set up our equation. The first side of the equation is our known, and that is that 1 tablespoon is to 15 mLs as we don't know how many tablespoons, so we need to put X tablespoons, because tablespoons is first on this side of the equation, so it must be first on this side of the equation. So it's X tablespoons is to 45 mLs. Then we are going to do our means and extremes, or innies and outies. So 1 times 45 is 45. 15 times X is 15X. We need to divide by what is next to X in order to get X by itself. What we do to one side of the equation, we must do to the other side of the equation to keep everything equal. 15 divided by 15 is 1, which leaves us with just X. 45 divided by 15 is 3. So our answer is 3 tablespoons, because our label comes from what is next to X. 3 tablespoons. Now we can also do this as a fraction if you prefer. So we would set up our known on the first side, which is 1 tablespoon is 15 mLs. Our other side of the equation is we don't know how many tablespoons, so we put X tablespoons. Again, this needs to be on top, because if tablespoons is in the upper position over here, it must be in the upper position on this side. And we have 45 mLs. On this one, we are going to solve it by cross multiplying. So 1 times 45 is 45. 15 times X is 15X. Again, we will divide by what is next to X in order to get X by itself. What you do to one side of the equation, you must do to the other side. And we get X is equal to 3. We still take our label from what is next to X, which is tablespoons.